Good evening, everybody, and welcome to this evening's winter weather update on Winter Storm Leona. Winter Storm Leona, as of 7 p.m. Central Standard Time, is starting to bring snow to the Rockies and going into the overnight. Snow is going to spread across the north central plains in areas like South Dakota and Nebraska. As we go into around 12 p.m. tonight, or 12 a.m. tonight, we're going to be seeing very heavy snow spread across northern Nebraska, much of South Dakota, continuing across southern Montana, northern Wyoming, and the Rockies of Colorado. As we go into tomorrow morning, the snow is going to slowly spread into southeastern South Dakota, northern uh, Nebraska, and remain across southern Montana, northeastern Wyoming, spreading into Iowa and southwestern Minnesota by around 6 a.m. tomorrow morning. Going into around 9-10 a.m., snow is going to slowly move south across Nebraska and Iowa, maybe lightening up a little bit. And then going into tomorrow afternoon, light snow will continue across much of the central plains. And then as we go into Saturday night, snow will begin to taper off and dissipate and continue across the Rockies, and we might get another resurgence of snow as we go into Sunday night, Monday morning. Now, looking at the snow across the Midwest, timing out the snow across the Midwest, snow will spread into Iowa, Minnesota, and Wisconsin by around 9 a.m. tomorrow morning. And as we go through the day, the snow will spread east and intensify, especially across Wisconsin, into the Chicago area, across Michigan. As we go into tomorrow evening, we're going to be seeing heavy snow across areas like Milwaukee and then areas like Chicago, and then light snow towards Green Bay. And then as we go into tomorrow evening, heavy snow is going to spread across northern and central Michigan, with snow continuing across Chicago through around 6 a.m., actually through around 9 a.m. Sunday morning, with the snow exiting Michigan by noon Sunday. Now, looking at the snowfall accumulations, first starting off in the Central Plains. With this storm, we're going to be seeing a lot of snow across the Eastern Rockies. So many areas are going to be receiving between 6 inches and a foot of snow in the lower elevations, and the mountains are going to receive anywhere between 1.5 to 2 feet of snow. And then going across southern South Dakota and far northern Nebraska, we're going to be seeing a small, narrow corridor of between 6 inches and about 15 inches with isolated 18 inches. And then going into northern Iowa, far southern Minnesota, the corridor is going to be about 6 to 8 inches with isolated 10 inches. And then across central Nebraska, central Iowa, about 2 to 4 inches of snow accumulation with the storm. Going to the Midwest, we're looking at about 6 to 8 inches of snow across south central Wisconsin. Central Wisconsin, about 2 to 5 inches. Chicago, about about 2 to 3 inches in Chicago of snow. And then northern Michigan is going to receive between anywhere from 5 to about 10 inches. So we're going to be seeing a good bit of snow from this slow-moving storm system. So thanks for watching this evening's update on Winter Storm Leona. Make sure you prepare for some heavy snow if you live across the areas of southern South Dakota, northern Nebraska, northern Iowa, far southern Minnesota, through the Great Lakes. Stay safe and have a wonderful evening, my friends.